Hello everybody, Green Hydro here. Today I'm going to show you how to make microgreens. So what you'll need is a tray flat. I like to use the low profile ones because microgreens don't need a large root mass. So the less material you use, the better. And you'll need one like this to catch the water and another tray with holes drilled in it so that the water can run through the medium and not get over moistened. So take a look here, take a look at this tray. These have holes drilled in them, and I have another tray here to catch. So what I'll do is I'll take a tray flat, the one with the holes drilled in them, and I'll fill it with a medium. I like to use cocoa fiber. It's an excellent source. And we'll go ahead and throw it in, and when you're done with that, it'll look just like this. Next, I like to add azomite to the medium because it is high in trace minerals and it really adds to the flavor, and it's a great selling point if you're selling microgreens at a farmer's market or to local restaurants, so that the chefs can say that it does include trace minerals, which are completely organic. It comes from volcano ash, and it really helps with the flavor, like I mentioned before, the color of the product as well, and it actually gives the person eating the microgreens more nutrients. Is I'll put a whole entire tablespoon of azomite, which looks like this, and I'll sprinkle it evenly across one entire tray. Next, what I'll do is, for a tray this size, we're doing cilantro today, micro cilantro. And a tray that size is going to call for 110 grams of cilantro. So if you take a look at how much 110 grams is. There we go, 110 grams weighed out. That's a lot of seeds. Now you could do less, you could do more, it just depends on how dense you want it. I'm basically going out as dense as I possibly can without running into any humidity issues or any problems. Next, I will make sure that my medium is damp, and then I'll go ahead and spread the seeds evenly, and you'll see what it'll look like here. You can see how many seeds I'm using for just one tray. From here, I'll just even it out. Once I have it evened out, I'll go ahead and water it to make the seeds moist. Make sure I get every seed just to get its initial watering. Then I'll finalize it with a humidity dome. This keeps the moisture in there, and it does help with the sprouting process.
After about 5 or 6 days, it will look like this one over here. You can see the humidity extract, and you start getting sprouts. This is a wheatgrass sprout. Looks like a wheatgrass seed somehow got mixed in, but you can see all the roots sprouting from the cilantro seed. The white that you see, that is not mold. If it's bright white, that's mycorrhizae, that's a beneficial bacteria, that's a good sign. And after a week or so after that, it will look like this. So from start to finish, just like this. Now this has been growing in my kitchen under natural light, no light needed. You can add artificial light if you wish, or put it next to a window. And basically from there, that's it. You can take this to the market, you can sell it, and go ahead and give it a taste. Packed with flavor. But that's it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the section below. A lot of helpful informational videos. It really helps out if you guys subscribe to our channel. It helps us out a lot and really means a lot to us. So any questions at all, just feel free to comment on the process. But using this short video, you can make nice, beautiful microgreens just like this in your own kitchen.